Traditional Ambrosia salad recipe. Dear viewers, Ambrosia salad is a type of fruit salad that's made of canned fruit, mini marshmallows, and whipped cream. It's a rich and creamy dessert that's hard to resist. Many people serve ambrosia during the holidays, but you can enjoy it any time of the year. What's more, it's an easy make-ahead recipe. You can prepare the salad the night before so it's ready for the next day. Ingredients: 15 ounces canned pineapple chunks drained, 15 ounces canned mandarin orange slices drained, 3 by 4 cup maraschino cherries destamped and drained, 3 by 4 cup green grapes, 1 cup sweetened coconut flakes, 1 cup mini marshmallows, 1 by 2 cup pecans or almonds chopped, 3 by 4 cup means 6 ounces vanilla yogurt, regular Greek coconut etc. 8 ounces whipped cream thawed. Feel free to omit the grapes if you don't like them. You can also add sliced bananas, strawberries or extra nuts. Slice the grapes in the half lengthwise. In a large bowl, combine the half grapes, mandarin orange, pineapples, and maraschino cherries. Stir well until combined. If you are using bananas, don't slice and add them just yet. You will stir them in just before serving. This will prevent browning. Add the mini marshmallows, coconut flakes, and pecans. Stir well. In a separate bowl, fold the yogurt and whipped cream together until just combined. Try to avoid over-mixing. Add the whipped cream mixture to the fruit and stir until just combined. Chill in the refrigerator for about 3 hours or overnight. If you are using bananas, slice them and stir them in just before serving. Top with extra coconut flakes, marshmallows, and maraschino cherries if you like. Enjoy. Cheers!